BSR's Company Lens allows you to browse companies around the UK, making the search process fast and convenient. Whether you are looking for acquisition targets or performing market research, there are different features that you can take advantage of. Search for a specific company or for companies containing a particular term in their name. For example, if you would like to find all businesses that have telecommunications in their name, all you need to do is type telecommunications into the field and click search. Selecting no filters can bring up results that are not relevant to your search. Also, if too many results are available, it may take the system longer to load them. You can select up to 5 different counties under locations. The status filter lets you choose between companies that are active or that are insolvent or no longer trading. Using our SIC code filter, you can also sort results by industry. Click the question mark for more information on how SIC code's classification works. Hovering your mouse over the code will open up a prompt with the full code description. You can select up to 3 SIC codes throughout your search. Select OR if any company with that code should appear in the search. If you wish to have only companies that have both SIC codes or all 3 codes, select the AND filter. We have modified the results table so you can filter results by each column. To view the full information on the company, click the company number.